In this video you will learn how to design a veneer using the TRIOS Practice Lab Crown Modelling module. Once in the Crown Modelling module, you will start with setting the margin line. For the best margin line visibility, switch off the colours by using the slider. Auto set of the margin line is not available for the veneer. You will need to place the first point on the margin line and then several others on the way until you make a full circle. When you place the point line, it will always follow the sharpest edges to give you a suggestion for further steps. When you have placed the margin line, you can always adjust it by dragging to the desired point. Adjustment is possible from the positive and negative side of the scan. When the margin line has been set, click Next to get to the Insertion Direction step. Software will automatically set the insertion direction for your restoration. You can always change the insertion direction. Just set Scan in the requested insertion direction and click the From View button to set that view as the new insertion direction. If, because of a new insertion direction, part of the margin line will be in the undercut, then that will be indicated with the colour red. You can always go back to the previous insertion direction by clicking the Auto button. When the insertion direction is set, click Next to go to the Anatomy Design step. At this stage, the software gives you the initial placement of restoration. Start with setting the teeth in the correct position in relation to other teeth in the arch and antagonist. The Transformation tool will help you with that. Use the control spheres to move teeth or click on a tooth and drag. When you have the right position of the restoration, connect it to the margin line. To facilitate the work, switch off texture on the restoration design using the slider. Then use design tools to adjust the design. Use the Morph tool to apply changes to different surfaces. Click Shift and mouse scroll to change the radius of a tool. Then click on the chosen point on the tooth and drag to make changes. Next, use the wax knife to add and remove material from the design, as well as to smooth it. Click Shift and scroll to change the radius of a tool or use a slider for that. Using the design tools, you can add, remove, change shape of design and make it smoother. Now you can go to the Dental Operations tool. Among these tools you will find the Cut to Antagonist as well as the Cut to Neighbours buttons, where you can set the distance value and enforce it. At the end, click on Enforce Minimum Thickness to be sure that the design meets the material requirements and check how it may affect your design. If the minimum thickness has not been violated, there will not be any visible changes. When your design is ready, you can move to the next step, which is the CAM module. Now you know how to design a veneer. Thank you for watching.